Ever heard the phrase, "What's cracking"? It's a casual greeting in English. Let's dive into its meaning, origin, and usage. What's cracking is similar to what's up or how's it going. It asks about current happenings. The phrase is often used informally among friends or acquaintances. It sets a friendly tone. Originally, cracking has roots in British slang. It meant excellent or energetic. Over time, American English adopted it with a slight twist. It evolved into a greeting question. Imagine you're meeting a friend after a while. You might say, "Hey, what's cracking?" If someone's having a good day, they could reply, "Not much, just enjoying the weather." At a party, someone might greet newcomers, "What's cracking, everyone?" When catching up with a colleague, you could ask, "What's cracking at work these days?" Even in casual text messages, it's common. "Hey, what's cracking?" So next time you're looking for a fun way to ask how someone is, try "What's cracking?" It's easygoing and engaging. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.